Welcome to GrabCAD Shop. In this short onboarding video, we'll help you get your shop up and running in under 30 minutes. Go to your browser and type in the URL shop.grabcad.com and log in with your credentials. Once you log in with your credentials, create your first shop. Add an image to personalize your shop along with other details such as currency, units, and time zone. Now you are ready to add machine types. Add a machine type from our database, which includes Stratasys and non-Stratasys machines, and add the material and color combinations that you want to offer to your users as shown. You may add as many machine types as you want. If you don't see a machine type that you have in your model shop, just let us know and we can add it for you. Now that you have created a shop, you need to add users and give them a role in your shop. This is done in the admin console that only admins have access to. To give access, first create at least 2 user groups, one for your engineers and requesters, and another for your staff and operators. Give these groups access to the shop you've created previously and give them a role. You should also add yourself to the operator group to have access to the shop features. Now you can go to the Users tab and invite users at any time and add them to these groups. This will generate our confirmation email that they can use to access the shop that you have created. Users with the requester role can submit a new order. This includes adding files and details and selecting from the machine and material options that you have pre-configured. Users with the operator's role can review an incoming order from the orders page. Edit the details like delivery date, part price, order status, and part status. Finally, operators and requesters can also communicate using the comment box, which will generate email notifications with the content. Now you're ready to use and share your shop.